Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the CELDERMA, the Marine Collagen Hydrogel Mask. It comes in the sleek, elegant box with the 3 individual masks. The packaging immediately gives a premium feel, which is always nice to start. This mask is designed to provide anti-aging benefit, nourish the skin, and offer intensive hydration. The key ingredient is the marine collagen, which is known for the ability to improve skin. When you open the package, you will find the mask is soaked in a generous amount of serum. The hydrogel material feels incredibly cool and soothing on the skin, making a perfect treat for those days when your skin needs a little extra love. Applying the mask is quite simple. After cleansing and toning your face, just peel off the protective film and place the mask onto your skin. I left it about 30 minutes, allowing the nourishing ingredients to deeply penetrate my skin. One of the things I loved about this mask is how refreshing it feels. The cooling sensation is immediate and lasts throughout the entire time you're wearing it. After removing the mask, there was plenty of serum left on my face, which I gently patted in to maximize the benefit. As a result, my skin felt incredibly hydrated and plump. So if you're looking for high quality masks that provide intensive hydration, nourishment, and anti-aging benefit, this mask is definitely worth trying. It is a little luxury that can make a big difference in your skincare routine. Thanks for watching. If you find this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more review like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.